Okay, so because of the age of this bus, I've opted for the less invasive option, and we're going to pressure wash the old paint off. Mainly just so we don't damage the bodywork of the bus anymore. I want to preserve as much of the natural seal as possible. So that's what we're doing now, bringing it back to. So bring that all back down to the base metal, get it all prepped, we'll give it a little bit of a really sort of fine sand, and we'll get some new paint on here. Okay, so now I've got the pressure washing starting and all the paint off on the outside. I'm going to try and focus on my attention primarily to this wall and this wall. I want to open the bus up right to the bottom, maximise light, and hopefully to achieve an efficient space. Plenty of light, giving us the appearance of more room. It's always worthwhile. Check you don't need these parts before you remove them. That can be a bit harder to put back on. Okay, not always easy to get these doors open, so a little bit of finesse. That's how it's done. Try and get as much air in here as possible. It is a scorcher outside. Okay, so I think those doors are going to need a wee bit of work. I'm sure we can do it. Okay, just one more side to do. Rid of that one, and that's us. We'll get on to the next side. There we go. One more out. Okay, so I had the idea. I'm going to pull off all the curtains, just let a lot more room in, and hopefully we'll see better what we're doing next. Okay, so got all the curtains off. Instead of throwing them out, I'm going to keep them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use them for dust sheets as I continue to work on this project. So it's always a good way of saving money. Use what you have. Right, while cleaning out the front of it, I've noticed I wouldn't say it's a big issue, but it's certainly an issue I need to address now before I can go any further. So, cleaning everything out, you'll notice these are heat vents for just obviously keeping, I suppose really it's for the best vision of the driver. And just so you can see where you're going, keeps windows from steaming up. You'll notice a few of them are well and truly knackered. So I'm going to pull them off. They don't actually look too complicated, so my plan is to get a couple off and just see how they go together, and hopefully I can just fabricate some new ones myself. Failing that, we'll get in touch with a Bedford dealer and we'll see if we can order some new ones. One of the other things I'm going to have to address at some point, which I never noticed, is this wee crack in the window. Once again, not a big issue, but it will fail an MOT for that. So once again, we'll see if we can find a spare for that. Probably not going to be very easy, but we will find one somewhere. Okay, so now we've got a bit of room. What I want to do is remove this panelling the whole way down. It's quite old in places. You can see the paint starting to come away. You could get away with possibly just sanding it, but it's just not worth it. If we get in behind that, then we can see what the rest of the walls are like.